and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. If you're new here, I'm Angel. If you have not subscribed, be sure to do that, as well as click that little notification bell so you get a notification each time I upload a video. Today is going to be a really fun day. So if you have a huge house or apartment or condo, then you know decorating is super expensive. Like, it can really get out of hand. Like, you can really go way over budget. You already done spent a lot of money to buy the house or condo or whatever, but then trying to decorate the entire place, decorating it can get really out of hand, and it can become super expensive. So today I'm going to help you out. I'm going to give you some really cool tips to giving you floral arrangements in your kitchen. It's going to be very inexpensive ways to add some color and some flowers to your kitchen for less than $10 each. Literally, it's super inexpensive, but yet totally cute. By the way, let me just add, I am not a real flower person, girl. Did I say that right? I do not keep real flowers in my home because I can't seem to keep real flowers alive. So a disclaimer, you will not be seeing any real flowers. They will all be artificial silk flowers, okay? Yeah, so me and real flowers just can't seem to get along really well. Don't know what the problem is, but so these are really easy, low maintenance flowers for your kitchen. All right, let's start. So this cute little flower I have here on my counter, this vase came from Dollar Tree, and these baby breaths came from Dollar Tree as well. So guys, all this is a vase that was spray painted. It was actually purple, and my mom put this one together actually. She stuck some flowers in here. They're just beige and white flowers, just a little decor. So this one is actually one of my favorites. I actually love this one. All it is a clear vase and tulip inside a clear vase. Literally, I think it's like 2 bunches. I just stuck them in here, and I think the vase came from Dollar Tree. I think the tulips, they're fake tulips, and I think the tulips actually came from Michael. Alright guys, so another little inexpensive flower I have in my kitchen is this one that's on my turntable here. And this actually came from Ross. And I think it was maybe $8. But yeah, very inexpensive, but yet really cute enough to add a little decor to the kitchen. Alright, here's another little flower I have in my kitchen, and this is also another Ross buy. It came from Ross. Very inexpensive. I love it because it's mirrored and it adds some greenery to the kitchen, and I think it was maybe like $9.99 maybe. My other flower that I have up above the top of my kitchen cabinet is this one, and it's just a clear vase that I got from Dollar Tree, I believe, and some leaves that I also got from Dollar Tree. This flower, which is on my island, was also very inexpensive. This vase came from Dollar Tree, and the flowers, which are, I think these are fake tulips, I don't know. They came from Dollar Tree as well, and you just stick it in there and it adds just enough greenery, a little bit of white for crispiness and cleanliness to give your kitchen an upgrade. I hope you enjoyed. If I was helpful to you in any type of way, be sure to click the thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next video, because I will be uploading a lot more different do-it-yourself floral arrangements as well that are very inexpensive, so be sure to keep a lookout as well as subscribe. So until the next time guys, have a great one. Mwah.